So it turned out that my bumper actually has a clear bra. It's like a clear protection film installed. So yeah, if you look at the mold here that grows, it's only on this clear plastic. So I'm gonna try take this off and see how it looks like. So I have it fired, fixed the stitches there. It's not yet perfect, but in the next few days I'm going to find a matching paint for this, and currently I'm taking out the protection film here. So I'm slowly like pulling it out. Yeah, it's nice that they have this one. So finally I'm on the stage where I'm actually painting the fender and my bumper. So this is my setup. I use the Harbor Freight gun in here. This is actually my first time painting using spray gun. I usually use spray cans, but I tried doing the spray gun just for experience. It's kind of like lots of work. So one thing that I noticed is I didn't actually sand this portion over here. This is where actually there's a dent, and I forgot to sand it. I just focus merely on the crack here, where the bumper got a big crack and teared apart and got the stitches. So yep, I'm waiting for this to flush and then do the second coat. And then basically this part over here, we'll just do the clear coat portion of it. I just sanded it with 600 sandpaper. Pretty much we're gonna just clear coat that area. Don't do the painting. The painting will be on just the side and then the fender. My fender from the junkyard has lots of scratches, so yeah, that should probably hide some of it when I do the painting. Now mixing my clear with chopsticks. Yep, these chopsticks are healthy. Yeah, I don't throw them away. Then these are my clear and my activator. Yeah, I could have gone to the slow one, but it only comes with medium. And my ratio is 4:1. So 4 parts clear coat, 4 parts clear coat, 1 part activator. So this is my second layer of clear coat. I'm going to do the last one. The color seems to be off actually. Yep. But yeah, this area, half of the area is painted with the base coat, and then half is the original base coat. So yeah, I could see the difference though, but I don't know if some other people will. So the color didn't actually match really well. So yeah, Oreilly, I don't know, can't really like match it like really close. It's like an approximate match, but yeah, if you look at this, yep, and too much orange peel on this one. I think it's on my gun settings. Yeah, I'll probably need to buff this off, polish this again to remove the orange peel. But yep, yeah, you could tell. See that one? Yeah, orange peel is really bad on this one. Yeah, today is really very humid and it's around 90. Yeah, I should like paint like around 85, but yeah, I don't have any other time but this weekend. So anyway, things are not that looking bad on the bumper side. It seems that the color once it's getting dry seems to blend somehow. yeah, I think it's fine for a first time painter. So I am replacing the fender that I painted, which is like mismatch, and it's also like badly painted. Um, it's not like a smooth surface. I think I painted it dry, wrong dance settings, and the paint is also off. So I got a new shade from Oreilly's. So I took out the bolts here. This one you need to take out the cowl by just removing the 14 mm bolts that hold this wiper. So there's two of them. So you take these out, take the bolts here, one for the headlamp. Then we're gonna loosen the fender. There's like a screw over here. Once you take that out, you could pull this bumper out. And then there's also some clips for the inner fender. There's a screw, there's a bolt over here. And then there's another one over here inside on this one. And I think this one is not like a bolt, it's like a something like a pin or a retainer pin, something like that. Yeah, this one, there's a bolt over here. Near the door, and there's one down here hidden. Yep. Yeah, my fender was so rusty that I have to put washers. Yeah, there's supposed to be one more bolt inside, so this one, but I didn't take it out, but now everything to be removed. Then we're gonna take these out over here. Now I could pull out the bumper. Then there's one over here. Need to take this out. I got the other side removed too. This is the screw over here. It goes over here. Once you take that out, then you can pull this out. So the bumper is down. And you could remove the last bolt for the headlight and the fender. So this is the corrected color for the blue Toyota code, the BS2. There's actually two shades. One is more blue and the other one is more black. I think the first one that I got is more black, so that's why it's really darker when I painted it. So I went to Oreilly's store, told the paint mixer about it, and we checked the color of the car, and he said that it's really way off. So he decided to take a look at if there are other possible shades for this, and yeah, he came up with two. So we then decided to just go with more blue rather than more black because it's so obvious. So somehow this is pretty close, and this is the final output. And this one I painted it. This is the area where it's like crack, it stitches, and then just blended it over here. Yep, it's pretty decent now.